Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. Today we are going to do the chapter of social science and highlighting each and every point of it. Let's see what is our topic today. Manufacturing sector is considered as the backbone of the general and economical development. Examine the statement in the context of India. You know that's important. The manufacturing sector is considered as the backbone of the general and economical development. That's an important question for the exam view here. The manufacturing sector is considered as a backbone. Manufacturing industry not only help in the modernizing agriculture, which form the backbone of our country, our economics. You know that's important. Manufacturing industry not only help to the modernizing culture, which form the backbone of our economy. They also reduce the heavy dependence of people on agriculture income by providing them a job and secondary and tertiary sector. That's important here. Manufacturing industry is a backbone of India. You know that's an important statement here. First of all, here manufacturing industry help in the modernizing agriculture. That's an important point here. It's a help in reducing the heavy dependence of people on the agriculture income providing to the job and secondary and tertiary sector. That's important. It helps with the eradication of unemployment and poverty from our country. That's important here. The eradications of unemployment and poverty from our country. It's a help in reducing original disparities by the establishing industry in the tribes and backward area. That's important here. Tribes and backward area, the industry establishment here. The export of manufactured goods expand trade and commerce. That's important. Export of manufactured goods expanding trade and commerce. Its help is a varying of foreign exchange. Its help in varying of foreign exchange. Countries that are transform their raw material into a wide variety of furnished goods of higher value are prosperous. That's important. And industrial development is a preconditions for the eradication of unemployment and poverty from our country. That's important. Also is a point here. It also help in the wearing down regional disparities by the establishing industry in our tribes and backward area. And it leads to last point here. Export of manufactured goods expanded trade and commerce are bearing much a need of foreign exchange. That's important here. You know that. And the 10 point is the most important. You choose a 5 point in this is the most important for the exam view here. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe and share the video as much as possible. Do not think, subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.